Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I have to tell you about this super cute, funny, quirky little book called The Wonky Donkey. I don't want to spoil it for you, but it is a very, very funny, cute book. And apparently there is a song about it, which I didn't know. So you can download that. It gives you the website how to download that, which is great. So this is about a donkey that you find. It says, I was walking down the road and I saw a donkey, Hee Haw, and he only had 3 legs. That he was a wonky donkey. So it has really quirky, cool, whimsical drawings in it. The artist does a really nice job. And it just goes on and on and on, adding to this wonky donkey until the end. He was a spunky, hanky-panky, cranky, stinky, dinky, lanky, honky-tonky, winky, wonky donkey. So it keeps adding to it, building up, so it makes it really fun for your little one. So definitely recommend this. It's a cute, fun book, and that is my point of view.